For Briscoe, it was his fourth pole of the Camping World Truck Series season. I'm so proud of the whole Brad Keselowski Racing team, Briscoe said. Ben Rhodes will share the front row with Briscoe.BKR's Austin Cindric. The top qualifying driver in the championship 4 posted the third fastest lap, followed by Grant Enfinger, Noah Gragson, Ryan Truex, Justin Haley and Matt Crafton. Johnny Sauter was the 12th truck to post a lap and had to settle for 11th. I about wadded it up in 1 and 2 there, Sauter said. Crafton was the first truck to take a lap in the second round and wasn't pleased with his initial lap of 165. .614 miles per hour, which ended up 8th-quick.Stewart, Friesen, Kaz Grala, Sauter and Myatt Snider rounded out the top 12. Johnny Sauter won the first round of qualifying for the Ford EcoBoost 200, followed by Austin Cindric, Chase Briscoe, Ben Rhodes, Kaz Grala, Noah Gragson, Justin Haley, Grant Enfinger, Ryan Truex, Myatt Snider, Stuart Friesen and Matt Crafton. Championship 4 driver Christopher Bell's lap of 165.309 miles per hour, 32.666 seconds, was 13th quick and just missed the final transfer spot.